In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack for beginners with confidence. Slack is one of the most popular workplace communication tools, and once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier to stay organized, communicate clearly, and work with your team in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the essential features you need to get started smoothly. First, sign up and set up your workspace. Go to slack.com in your web browser and click Get Started. From there, enter your email address and follow the setup process. If someone has invited you to an existing company workspace, you can simply accept that invitation and join. If you're setting Slack up for your own team, choose the option to create a new workspace. This is the foundation of your Slack environment. So take a moment to make sure you're entering the correct details as you begin. Once you're inside Slack, it helps to understand the main screen. On the left side, you'll find the sidebar. This is where Slack keeps your channels, direct messages, and helpful tools for navigation. The larger area in the center is your main conversation space. This is where messages, replies, links, and shared files will appear. Getting familiar with this layout early on makes everything else feel much more intuitive. Next, join and create channels. Channels are organized spaces built around topics, projects, or teams. In the sidebar, click the plus icon next to channels to create a new one. You'll give it a name and choose whether it should be public so everyone in the workspace can access it, or private for a smaller group. Using channels properly is one of the best ways to keep communication tidy and easy to follow. To send messages, click into any channel, type in the message box at the bottom, and press enter. If you want to reply to one specific message without interrupting the main conversation, use threads. Just hover over the message and click the reply in thread icon. Threads are especially useful for keeping discussions organized. You can also tag teammates and share files. To notify someone directly, type the @ symbol followed by their name. This helps make sure the right person sees your message. To upload documents or images, click the paperclip icon in the message box or simply drag and drop files into the channel. If typing isn't enough, start a quick huddle. At the bottom of the sidebar, click the headphone icon to begin an instant audio or video call with people in that channel. It's a fast way to talk things through in real time. Finally, manage your notifications. Click your profile picture in the bottom left corner, open preferences, and adjust your alerts so you're only notified about what matters most, like direct messages or mentions. This can make a big difference in staying focused throughout the day. Now you're ready to start collaborating and using Slack efficiently.